In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable a Firefox extension in private browsing mode so you can keep using your favorite tools even when you open a private window. This is a really useful setting if you rely on extensions for password management, productivity, shopping, notes, or anything else you want available while browsing privately. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Firefox tutorials. Now let's get right into it. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button, which looks like three horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu where you can access all of your browser settings and tools. From here, click Settings. On some versions of Firefox, you may need to scroll a little bit to find it, but once you're in Settings, you're in the right place. Inside Settings, look for Extensions and Themes. This is where Firefox keeps all of your installed add-ons and browser extensions. Click Extensions and Themes to open the add-ons manager. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of your installed extensions. Find the extension you want to allow in private browsing mode and click on it to open its details page. Now on the extension page, scroll down until you see the option labeled Run in Private Windows. This is the setting that controls whether the extension can work when you open a private browsing window. By default, many extensions are blocked in private mode for privacy reasons, so this is the step that gives you permission to use it there. When you find Run in Private Windows, select Allow. As soon as you choose Allow, Firefox will enable that extension for private windows. Depending on the extension, you may see it start working right away the next time you open a private tab or private window. If the extension has a browser icon, you may also notice that it is now available when browsing privately. If you want to double check that everything worked, open a new private window in Firefox and test the extension. You can usually do this from the menu as well, or with the private browsing shortcut. If the extension was enabled correctly, it should now function in private mode just like it does in a normal window. And that's it. You've successfully enabled a Firefox extension in private browsing mode. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference if you want a smoother browsing experience while using private windows. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Firefox tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.